Painting business ideas. In the last video, I talked about adding drywall repair to your painting business. In this video, I want to show you how to make lots of extra add-on money by adding amazing star murals to your painting business mix. You could make an extra $300, $500, even $1,000 or more in any single day or week. Since 2005, I have been testing and refining amazing star murals to be the best it can be. The paints and application tools are the best as well. Some of my most important star making secrets are from an unknown source, and this is what makes them so realistic. As a house painter or painting contractor, you have an ideal advantage for getting star mural jobs. You are already in someone's home, so half the battle is won. I can show you how to get sales and how to make samples to give to customers as well. Just go to amazingstarmurals.com to find out more, or click the live link below the show more aerial below this video.